Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y19 and today I'll show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off once it shows up. Now when the device turns off, hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. After some time, this should boot us into fast boot mode. There we go. So once we have this page visible, you can then use the volume buttons to navigate. So precisely you want to just press volume down once. This will then select our recovery mode and you can confirm it using your power button. Give it a moment and it will boot us into recovery mode. And there we go. So that is how you boot into recovery mode. Now in here, you will then select every option by just simply tapping on it. You don't need to use volume buttons anymore. And we don't have very many options in here. We have install software, we have clear data, which allows you to clear cache or data. Check system, and then two ways of leaving this mode by either turning off the device or restarting it. So I'm going to select restart. Okay. And this will now bring me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.